Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I've added some black paint, and I want to make like stripes, carnival type stripes with lots of pretty colours, but I also would like to have some negative space here and there throughout the painting. So what do I got? I've got orange, gold, green, red, purple, blue and white, and just excuse me. That's okay. Sorry about that, that was my work phone. And I'm not on duty anymore, so I just pulled it out, forgot to switch it off. So I'm just going to pour the colours, not in any particular order, into my jug. I'll just take all these stirrers out first. I should have had this done, but I didn't. So the recipes for all of these paints and their names and what have you, and the pouring medium will be under show more below this video. And there is absolutely no silicone and no Floetrol in any of these colours, so I'm just hoping that I don't get too much of a chemical reaction, because I would rather not have cells. So this is the way it's all going down. Some purple. Gold. Oh, running out of space. Red. And green. Okay, so here we are, and I shall start again with some white, some blue in next, I think. Do it, I think, more than enough, you think? Yep, I do. Alright, so I'll leave it at that. Then the idea. Okay, so we'll just see how that goes. Goodness. Actually, I need a bit more on that edge there, I think, because I'm not actually going to tip it to the sides. And I've lost my negative space. That's okay. I'll sort that out in a minute. This is me being patient. Underneath Show More, you'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. And that might do that. And I shall just wipe my hands on this and get the black. Okay, knife, and I shall just make my own negative space. Where there's a will, actually, cut that white. It's coming along. I wouldn't mind these colours coming down a bit more, I think. Just doing it slowly. And I'll just take him back this way. And then I have a nice stripy. Actually, I don't like it. Not at all. So what I think I might do is just switch you off for a minute or three, put some silicone into some of these colours and then swipe it, because that's not doing what I wanted it to do, even with the help I was trying to give it. So I'll be back in a sec. So I'm back. Rather than put the silicone in the other colours, I decided, since I still had half a jug here of paints, that I would just do a ring pour. I might just bring them out and do a couple. See how we go here. looking good. Just going to bring that down a little bit more. Okay, and this has to be one of the better abstracts that I've done, and I'm really very pleased. I might just bring that down a bit more. Yes. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe my hands off and give it a torch, just in case there's some air bubbles. So this has been done with no silicone and no Floetrol. Stop it. Like it. Oh, it looks like a millipede, rather a large one. Cute. Alright, I'll bring you down to take a look, and I'm very happy with this now. Sorry the first part didn't sort of work out, but it all ended up good in the end. So I'll just get my strips. That's you out a bit, I think. Out. Right. This is what I've been looking at, and as you can see, it's really, really pretty. There's my little centipede. Can I get him in? Let me fiddle. There we go. He's cute. And the colours are really pretty. Little bits of orange here and there. I don't really know what happened to that. I thought I put as much in of that as any of the others, but hey, I didn't put any pink, so the red and the white have acted. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell. You'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.